Dr. Justin here, and it's been a very exciting day today. We had almost 70 people so far that signed up who wanted access to the free workshop. And number two, today is day 3 of the workshop. The workshop is done. The workshop is ready to be watched. All 3 days are available. It's a total of 70 minutes of content. There's a total of 9 different downloads that you can get. There's a lot to it. So if you're a practitioner, you're a doctor, you're an acupuncturist, a chiropractor, a physical therapist, a naturopath, even a medical doctor or osteopath, and you're treating upper back pain patients, then take advantage of this free training that's available. And then lastly, starting next Wednesday, the day after Valentine's Day at 8:30 p.m., we are going to have the first ever trapeze technique webinar. And you're going to get to see things that you have never seen before, because nothing like the trapeze technique as a continuing education course has ever been made available.